My company, Neo Esensial Teknologi, established in 2018, and is a telecommunication and IT solution provider based in Jakarta, Indonesia. We've been working closely with the medium to big enterprises in Indonesia. Most of them will be 50 to 500 employees across industries like manufacturing and enterprise, service, and hospitality. Especially in the region like Jakarta, Tangerang, Cikarang, Karawang, and Surabaya and Bali, where the industrial and the tourism thrive side by side. To address this, we'll be exclusively partner with the Hexnode since 2019. As our go-to unified endpoint management solution, Hexnode standard to its user-friendly interface and the valuable mobile device management features and responsive support. Our clients rely on a wide variety of the devices from the smartphone, laptops, iPad, and tablets. These mostly run out to the Android, iOS, Windows, and the macOS. Key challenges of our client is mostly efficiency, visibility, and the control over the company-owned device, and particularly for the compliance and the operational efficiency. Overall, the feedback for the Hexnode UEM has been outstanding. Most of our clients would rate their experience as solid 9 out of 10. They are especially impressed by the Hexnode support, thought documentation, and the sense of the control it brings to the managing digital asset. One real-world success story is in Ajais, Bali. Our client is a tour and the travel agency industrial. Through Hexnode UEM, they are enable location tracking, hotspot access, lock the device in kiosk mode for the Tabi mobile apps to guide international tourist spot destination around the Bali. Another success story, a company in manufacturing industrial who gave the tablet into their staff for the daily operations. The problem is devices were often misused. Employees open the browser and carry them outside the work area. After implementing the Hexnode UEM, the company restrict browser access and set up geofencing rule. Now tablet state-locked business apps only works inside the zone. Keep operating and efficient and secure. When it comes to the implementation, timeline depends on the scale. For deployments deploy about 1,000 devices, it can takes up to 3 months, while smaller rolls out are typically complete within a month. All of our technical and the sales team are trained through to the Hexnode Academy certification, which provided accessible practical training for all levels. Now we are trying to move to get Hexnode Golden Partners. Near future to improve more to the establishing to Indonesian market. Through Hexnode, we discovered many new study cases that have a wide knowledge and open more opportunity to explore into the future. Unified endpoint management acts as a wake-up call. It's no longer a nice to have, but a must-have, especially when it comes to protecting highly valued and sensitive data stores on the company device.